Change is what shapes our world. Big or small, it is always present in our lives. For me, nature fosters change. When I'm undergoing a big change like moving, for example, I like to ground myself in the roots of the land. This is what leads me to explore. It is, without a doubt, my favorite thing to do. And I believe that every place is worth exploring. When I'm on my feet, I try not to set destinations, but rather allow my curiosity to guide me, which is impulsive, but always leads me to a new place. Whether it be a dense mossy forest or a rocky shoreline, nature provides me with peace and serenity wherever I may wind up. Each discovery forming a stronger sense of belonging, and with a stronger connection to a place, a stronger sense of myself, which I can confidently say is my way of adapting to change.
For me, winter is more than just a season. It's a haven. Each snowflake is a reminder of nature's delicate artistry, a masterpiece in every detail. Backcountry skiing is my way of connecting with nature, finding peace in its untouched beauty. Every step I take, every glide, is a moment of gratitude for this frozen wonderland. At the top, I'm just a small piece in the big picture, humbled by the grandeur around me.